To get a clearer picture, we have to go back to 2014. Yes, 9 years ago, Musk was invited to speak at the MIT Aero-Astro Centennial Symposium. Now, that's where he made his first comment on the dangers of AI while on stage. In his typical tongue-in-cheek style, Elon said that having AI around is like summoning a demon, but a really cute one with puppy eyes. Yep, you heard that right. He compared AI to a mischievous little devil that we're conjuring up with our own technological growth. Elon went on to explain that AI has the potential to outsmart humans and even pose existential threats. He raised concerns about the rapid pace of AI development and how it could spiral out of control if we're not careful. That's where he jokingly said, "AI might take over the world, but I promise I won't make you bow down to our new robot overlords." Well, we all laughed at that, but I think his message was crystal clear. We've got to be vigilant and take precautions to prevent any unintended consequences. But Elon didn't stop there. He went on to share his thoughts on the ethical implications of AI. He emphasized the need for transparency and responsible government in AI development. He even cracked a joke saying, "We can't let AI turn into the Wild West, where the robots ride into town with guns blazing." And yes, just like every one of his jokes, this one also got a good laugh from the audience, but his underlying message was clear. We need to make sure that AI is developed and used for the benefit of humanity as a whole. Elon's passion for AI safety seemed intense. As he delved deeper into the topic, he shared his vision of creating a global organization to oversee all of this AI research and ensure its safe and ethical development. He added that he'll make sure it's called the AI Avengers, and he even said that he'd be Iron Man. Now, years later, what does Elon Musk think about AI? Well, his opinion is quite the same. In fact, it seems he's starting to be more in favor of AI. During the World Government Summit in Dubai, he again made the same remarks, but this time he put ChatGPT in the spotlight. You see, ChatGPT is a product of OpenAI, a startup co-founded by Musk. It's powered by GPT-4, a massive language model that can understand human language and generate responses based on mountains of data. And what's got Musk worried is just how advanced AI has become. He said, "The AI has been advanced for a while, it just didn't have a user interface that was accessible to most people. But now, with ChatGPT, it's becoming crystal clear just how powerful AI can be." Musk believes that regulating AI safety is crucial. He thinks it's even more important than regulating things like cars, planes, or medicine. And he's got a point. While those industries have strict safety standards to follow, AI is still largely unregulated. It's like the Wild West of technology, with little to no rules keeping its development in check. But don't get Musk wrong, he's not anti-AI. In fact, he's a big advocate for its potential. He just wants to make sure we're using it responsibly. He once said, "I think we need to be very careful with AI. I think we could be summoning the demon." That's some serious stuff, right? And ChatGPT is a prime example of just how far AI has come. It's got the ability to generate responses that are so human-like it's almost uncanny. It's like having a conversation with a real person, except it's all powered by lines of code. It's no wonder it's been making waves in the tech world. But ChatGPT's rise to popularity hasn't been without its fair share of drama. You see, Musk left OpenAI's board in 2018 and no longer has any control over the company. He even mentioned that it's now a closed source for profit entity. But part of the reason he helped establish OpenAI in the first place was that he felt that other tech giants like Google weren't paying enough attention to AI safety. And now, with ChatGPT gaining traction, it's become a hotly contested battle between Google and Microsoft. Recently, Microsoft has even invested in OpenAI and integrated its software into its Bing web browser. So what happens next? Well, before we get into that, we just want to ask you to hit the like button, because the AI that controls the YouTube algorithm needs to boost our video. Now, with Microsoft having tried its best to get ahead in the AI race, Google fired back at ChatGPT by launching its own rival tool called Bard. But that didn't go so great. Some of you might know about the launch event issue, where Bard AI made up wrong facts about the James Webb Telescope in order to answer a question that it was asked. It backfired on Google, as people started questioning the accuracy of the content that's available on Google Bard. After that, it was clear that the competition is heating up as these tech giants fight for dominance in the world of AI-powered language models. But what does that mean for the future? Well, ChatGPT is undoubtedly changing the job market. Its ability to generate human-like writing has some people worried about the future of content creation. Will human writers be replaced by AI-powered language models? It's a valid concern, and one that's being hotly debated. But let's not forget that Musk has a knack for injecting humor into serious topics. After all, this is the man who once said, "The first step is to establish that something is possible, then figure out how to scale it up to disastrous proportions." Musk's witty remark highlights his awareness of the potential consequences of advancing technologies like AI. Musk's overall stance on ChatGPT and AI can be summarized as cautious optimism. Now, let's look at the progress that Musk has made in the AI field. One amazing development is Optimus, the bot from Tesla. Musk has been teasing us with the idea of a Tesla robot for years, and now we finally have one. It's far more advanced than we could have ever imagined. Optimus is a robot that looks like a human, walks like a human, and can even perform tasks like a human. But this is not just any robot, it's a Tesla bot, which means it's smart, it's efficient, and it's insanely cool. And during the last 2023 Investors Day, Musk displayed that the bot can now walk on 2 legs. That's great, but isn't it also a bit ironic? For years, he has said AI is a threat to human existence, and now he's developing a human-like robot. When Musk was asked about this, he said, "Tesla is developing a positive AI that people would appreciate." Is that the case? What do you guys think? Musk's involvement with OpenAI and his interest in AI also sync with his broader vision for humanity's future. He has repeatedly spoken about the importance of ensuring that AI is developed in a way that benefits humanity as a whole and that its application does not lead to unintended negative consequences. Musk sees a future where humans and AI work together in a symbiotic relationship, leveraging the strengths of each to achieve new heights of innovation and progress. And his views on ChatGPT can be said as a mix of excitement about its capabilities and potential benefits, as well as concerns about its dangers and the need for a responsible body to oversee these developments. One thing is for sure, Musk's past involvement with OpenAI and his interest in AI safety and regulation highlight his commitment to ensuring that AI is developed in a way that is beneficial to humanity as a whole. And let's hope that's the case with the Optimus robot too.